Hey guys, Alicia here. Today we are going to talk about the importance of your Etsy shop and its appearance. You want it to look great and you want it to look fabulous because that is what is going to draw people in. That's also the first thing somebody is going to see whenever they go to your shop. So you want to make sure that it looks great. This video today is being sponsored by Erin Plewes MockUps. And I really do want you to take a moment. Now, I want to say she is the sweetest, kindest person. And if you have any questions, feel free to send her a message, on Etsy directly. And right now, I do want to kind of read what she wrote when she filled out the form for this sponsored video. She really has a goal to advertise to people that can benefit their digital design work or sublimation or SVG goods. She also has mugs. Also for people who sell print on demand, like Printful, Printify, and Guten. She's got mugs, posters, stickers, ornaments. Many of them do not physically have, but her items will help them stand out from the crowd. So she's wanting you to know that. That's how to stand out from the crowd. She also loves getting requests from people to help them succeed. So if you do have a photo request, please, once again, send her a message. So, she does take all of her photos with a camera. Now, she does digitally enhance a few of them, but they're all taken. And they're also all currently JPEGs 300 DPI, 8x10 format, and they're already formatted for Etsy. So these are perfect, ready to go mock-up photos. And I'm going to leave a link to this in the description below this video. So right now, she has everything over here on the left perfectly organized. So she's got her gift tag mock-ups, mug mock-ups, ornament mock-ups, Christmas, card mock-ups, cupcake topper mock-ups, pillow mock-up, background template, sticker mock-ups, gift bag mock-ups, and poster mock-ups. So I'm just going to pull up this one right here. This is one of her mug mock-up photos. And by the way, whatever ounce mug you have, this can go either way. You can use it for both. So she's got, this is beautiful. I love the bokeh in the background. And right now she's got, if you buy 3, you get 1 free if you use this code, buy 3, get 1. So she's telling you to put 4 items in your cart and use the code at checkout. So I just wanted you to know. So like I said, when you are putting something in your Etsy shop, and I'm getting there here shortly. Let me go here. This is my training. Okay, so if you were creating a new listing, Etsy gives you 10 spots to put photos. When people are buying something, like let's say they're buying a mock-up or a mug, they want to see what it's going to actually look like on a mug. And you want to see, or if it's a pillow, they want to see what it's going to look like on a mug, a pillow, whatever it is. So you have 10 places right here to add photos, and you want to be able to put your design on those mock-up photos. And you want to fill up as many of these spots as you can. Like I said, people really want to see what it's going to look like before they add it. So, for example, if you're making an SVG or something for sublimation, I highly recommend that you put it, your first photo, I highly recommend that you put it on a mock-up photo. Now, I can understand if you want your subsequent photos where you just want the design by itself, but really, that very first photo, in my opinion, should be on a mock-up photo. It really should. Okay, so let me go back. And I just wanted to pull up this because this I absolutely loved on this pillow, this throw pillow, square pillow mock-up with rustic wood background. Beautifully photographed. And she's got these extremely reasonably priced. $4 for this mock-up photo. And then she has it in a different font where she's just trying to show it in a different font. And once again, all of her mock-up photos are buy 3, get 1 free. So you would have to purchase 4 items and you get one of them for free. So it's just such a great deal, especially with her pricing. I've seen mock-up photos go as high as $15 up to $20. So she's got excellent prices and beautifully photographed. So once again, I will leave a link to this in the description below the video. But once again, please, when you are looking at your Etsy shop and you're making your listings, you want to use as many of these photo spaces as you possibly can. Now, your first picture should be on a mock-up photo. If you do want to put just your regular design by itself, standalone, you can put that in your second picture, you know, or whatever. But the first picture, I highly recommend. That's what's going to draw people in when they see a design on a coffee mug. They're going to see it like that. Some people feel differently. They like to do it backwards. They want to put their design first and then show what it looks like on a mock-up photo. Either way, that's your preference, however you want to do it. But I do highly recommend Erin's mock-ups because she has, number one, she has great prices. She's wonderful to work with. And as you can see, she's got beautiful mock-ups, even these gift bag mock-ups. She's got this one right here. 3 people have this in their cart already. This is the gift tag mock-up. And so, once again, she photographs everything herself. And this is a really cute tag mock-up photo round. And she also has other different types of tags. She's also got greeting cards in the portrait mode, landscape mode. This right here. If you're doing any type of like wedding invitation or something like that, right here is a great deal because you can put like the wedding invitation right here, and then you can put the RSVP or whatever the other things on the other two. And like I said, $4 is what she's charging. So it's a great deal. Now, I can't promise that she's going to keep these at $4 for very long, so I highly recommend, you know, jumping on while you can. She also has a great selection of everything. So like this, she's got another throw pillow showing it in a different way, a different type of throw pillow, lots of coffee mugs. Some people like to see people actually holding the coffee mug. She's got that. She also has them standalone as well. So, and she has this right here. This is where if you want to purchase just the, basically like the background, I suppose, and add your own. This is a white wood product background mock-up. So if you want to drag your own design over onto this, she's got you covered on that as well. So, you know, once again, I can't express enough how much I absolutely love working with Erin, and please visit her shop. She's got lots of wonderful items, and she's so pleasant and friendly to work with. So I hope that this video was helpful. If you have any questions about, you know, mock-up photos or how to put something onto a mock-up photo, please leave it in the comment section below. Or you can join my Facebook group, which is Etsy Passive Income. You just simply make sure to answer all 3 questions, and one of the moderators or myself will get back with you. You can make a post, inside of the group. Wonderful people in the group. So anyway, I hope this was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Visit Erin's MockUps in the description below. I will leave a link. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.